Hi, I'm Sarah Seal from Photo Gear News. Let's take a look at what's in my camera bag. This is my Think Tank International version 2 rolling wheelie bag. I do shoot stills and video, so at the moment I'm just going through what I would take to a photo shoot, not video. I have my camera, which is the Canon 1DX Mark II, and it has a little peak design strap here, which is really nice feature. This I use because I needed a camera for video and stills, and this was perfect for me because it has amazing video and amazing stills. So let's have a look at my lenses. This is a 16-35 L series 2.8 Canon. This is a really good lens for time-lapse, or I use this for events when I'm shooting a wide of the venue, but my most used lens is the 24-70 version 2 L series f2.8. I love this lens because it gives me a really nice range, and it is the first lens I put on my camera when I'm about to shoot an event because it is safe and I don't know, what I'm going to shoot first. So this is the 2.8 version 2 IS 70-200. This is my favourite lens ever. I can get lovely shots of people without getting in their face. It is a bit heavy, but it is worth it, so you need that lens. Everyone needs that lens. And now onto my prime lenses. Let's go for the 50mm first. This is the 1.2 L series version 1, there's not a version 2. I'm hoping they'll bring one out with an IS. Everything's Canon, by the way, in here. This is Philips, this is Philip Bloom's. So if I turn it around, you'll see his sticker with all his details on it. I won't do that. I borrow that from him all the time and he is not getting it back, so that is going back in my bag, not in Philip's bag. Right, and then we'll go to my 85mm. My previous review for Photo Gear News, you'll see I spoke about the 85mm IS 1.4. The autofocus for the 1.4 is much faster for stills, and also it's a lot sharper in my opinion. So I will be replacing this lens. I don't really bring it out much anymore since I got the 70-200, since they are different, but this gives me more variety. So that is the 85mm. The last prime I want to show you is my 100mm Macro IS 2.8 L series. This is a beautiful lens for when you want to get really close up and you want to get those nice details if you're doing jewellery or products or food. This is a great lens to use. Those are my lenses. I would love the 100-400 Canon. It's just so great. It's an amazing lens. I don't have it yet, but I will eventually have that in my kit bag. So this is the flash that I will take if I'm doing events or any other photography. This is a 580 EX Mark II. This is a really nice flash. I know there are more recent, more up-to-date flashes out there, but this does the job for me and it covers what I need. I do have other flashes, but they will not fit in there. They're my Profoto D1s. They are what I will be taking on a studio photo shoot or anything that I need the extra light for. And obviously there's cards in here. You need cards and batteries and a charger. So that is my photo kit. Oh, wait. I have also my X-Rite Colorchecker. I have a video one of this as well, but this is really, really handy to get my white balance right for all of my photos. So that is my photo kit bag, and that's my stills bag.